short video, I'm going to show you how to type in Inuktitut Syllabics using the English keyboard layout. Now, there are different keyboard layouts for Inuktitut, for both Nunavut and Nunavik, but these keyboard layouts often are quite different from the English layout. So for example, if I go to Inuktitut Nunavik and I hit caps lock on my keyboard to switch over to the Inuktitut keyboard, you'll see that the values of each key have changed, and by hitting such things as Option or Shift or Command or Control or Option Shift, that I'm getting different keys, different letters. So this could be a challenge if you're not already familiar with this keyboard. But one thing that you can do, and that we're going to learn how to turn on today, is you can actually use a more English-type keyboard layout and have your computer automatically convert what you're typing in essentially a Roman orthography into Inuktitut Syllabics. So to do that, what you're going to need to do is open up your system preferences and go to the keyboard options here. Then you're going to go to your list of different input sources. So input sources can include English, French, Inuktitut, and also keyboard layouts and input method editors for different languages. You're going to add, for Inuktitut, the Inuktitut QWERTY layout. Okay? So this is going to be a layout for Inuktitut that's based on the English keyboard layout. So you might also, once you've done that, want to click here, Show Input Menu in Menu Bar, and that's going to allow you to see which keyboard layout you have activated at any one time. So going back to a word processor, now you're going to select Inuktitut QWERTY. So again, Inuktitut QWERTY, based on the keyboard layout in English, that has QWERTY across the top row. And in a word processor, once you have this activated, you turn on this input method editor by hitting the caps lock key. So with Inuktitut QWERTY activated up here and with the caps lock key on, you'll see that we now have a different input method selected for Inuktitut, but it's going to be based on the English layout. So to show what I mean, if I wanted to type ta in Inuktitut, I could press the normal letter for the normal key for T, followed by the normal key for A, and it's going to automatically give me ta. The same thing with T and U will give me tu, T and I will give me T, or for a more complicated example, I will give me E, N, U will give me nu, K will give me the final for K, T, I, T, U, T. So what I'm essentially doing is typing using the English layout, but it's automatically converting those sequences of consonants and letters into Inuktitut Syllabics. Just a couple pointers here. Just like in the other Inuktitut keyboard layouts, by holding down the Shift key, you can get the dots for long vowels. And two other important points of note are that the F key is used for the sounds nga, ngi, ngu, and in Nunavik, ngai. So like ni, for example. And the Y key is used for a double ng sound, like an ngi. So I hope you found this video useful to be able to type in Inuktitut, but using the English keyboard layout.